Any man in this world can change his life in a year. Any man in this world. I just got out of jail a year ago. I was over 100K in debt. I didn't have shit going for me. I was at the worst possible place a man could possibly be in. Life was rough. I didn't have shit going for me a year ago. Just 1 year ago. And today, I am financially free. I'm about to spend the next 3 to 6 months over in Europe, just hopping from country to country, living life on my terms. I have my own business. I have beautiful men in my life. I have an amazing body. I have what I've always wanted for my life. But a year ago, I didn't have none of this shit. None of it. What you gotta realize is that any man in this world can take his life in a year. Anyone. If you are in a tough position, you're not stuck there. But you gotta put in the work. Life doesn't just change by itself. It doesn't happen magically. You gotta put in the work. But it's worth it. Like, it's no point in just living life how you've always lived it if you know that's not gonna make you happy. Like, you gotta focus on what you have as a vision for your life. You can't just become complacent. You can't just sit in bed all day just being a dick and playing video games and not doing anything else to improve your life. You can't just go to the 9-to-5 job and then come home every day and not do anything to improve your life. You gotta, if you want to have a beautiful life and you want to have an amazing life, you have to do the work. You got to. It doesn't just happen by itself. It takes work, it takes effort, it takes focus. And I would say that the main thing for getting started with improving your life is to make a vision for your life first and foremost. Make a plan. But after that, the second most important thing is to get rid of all the distractions. Get rid of all the social media distractions. Get rid of the pornography. Get rid of the video games. Get rid of everything that's grabbing your mental focus. Just get rid of all that shit. That is the main thing distracting us in this day and age, is just our cell phones and technology and all the instant gratification, the pornography, the video games, all of the bullshit. That's what's holding you back. That's what's destroying your progress. The average internet user spends 6 hours and 53 minutes on technology every day. That is 40% of the time that we're awake just spent on a phone. If you add in the time that you spend eating, the time that you spend going to work and going to school, then you have no time left in your day. That's what's killing your progress, is all of the technology. Take a step back and focus on improving your life. Take that 6 hours and 53 minutes from technology and put that into building your life. Put that into building your body. Put that into building your side hustle. Put that into building what you want from your life. That is so powerful. 7 hours a day just switched from focusing on technology and putting that instead on building your life, your ideal life circumstances. That will transform you in a year. Guaranteed. How do I know? Because I did it. I put in the time. I put in the work. I'm living an amazing life now. Anyone can do it, man. Absolutely anyone. And I don't mean to come across too harsh in these videos, but that's what we need sometimes. Like when I was in a terrible position a couple years back in my life, and I needed that kick, I watched videos from guys like Stephen's Code and AMS, and they was talking mad shit in these videos, making me feel like shit. But sometimes that's what you need to push yourself to the next level and to get out of your comfort zone, to stop just sitting around being lazy. That's what you need sometimes. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and always remember that consistency creates kings. And if you are not consistent in your life, you will not see progress. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.